Hi, for my last video, I picked this website called Icivics. I wanted to focus on something that wasn't math or reading. This is a great website to allow students to learn more about the government. It can be used in social studies class, or even it can be used in reading. Our first unit in our curriculum is always about government for every single grade. And so this would be a really great way of incorporating those government stories and to play games and to help make that connection to what they're reading and to the government in this way of a game. So iCivics has lots of games. So thinking back to 4th grade, we read a nonfiction text about the 3 branches of government. And if I click on play, I can go to all the games and I can scroll down and you can play all these different games about government, and they can learn more about government while playing these games. I'm going to click on one just to see what it looks like. But my purpose for really using iCivics would be to incorporate a fun way to learn more about government and, again, to make that connection in reading. My intended audience is for teachers, admin, and even students. This would show teachers and admin the benefits of this website, about the government and politics and getting students involved, and also show students how to use the website. 2 standards that go along with this website are 3.5D, develop the skills needed to learn or to lead and navigate change, advance systems, and promote a mindset of continuous improvement for how technology can improve learning. This video would show teachers a way to engage their students with a topic that can be challenging. This piece of technology can improve our student learning because it's an engaging website that allows students to explore government on their own and play through games. And then the next standard is 3.3. Leaders create a culture where teachers and learners are empowered to use technology in innovative ways to enrich teaching and learning. I definitely feel like this website enriches teaching and learning. Students are in control of learning about the government. They can pick what games they want to play. And I really love the aspect. It really goes through the process of like the sorts of branches of government stuff. Okay, you can log in and it'll save your work, or you can use the free version. So I'm going to click on new game, just quickly go through this, and it is reading to the students as it's appearing on the board, like on the screen. So students would learn a little bit more about it before they actually play the game. Pick who you want to lead the branches. I really love the cartoon characters they created. So they have to pick the agenda and some values. Just going to pick a couple random ones. So they kind of set themselves up for the game. So here's Capitol Hill, and there's their 3 branches, and I'll just click on one. Tells them what to do. You have to complete some actions in each house. So they have to propose a bill, so they get to pick what they want to propose. So it's kind of learning more about each branch, and that's kind of what each game does. They get to pick kind of the topic and then learn how that system uses it. And that is my video. Thank you.